We all wish to flaunt radiant, clear, healthy, and wrinkle-free skin. Don't we? And in order to achieve amazing skin, we keep on trying a number of skincare products and cosmetics. There are many of us who rely on natural ingredients, and they work well too. But, everything depends on how religiously you follow your skincare regimen. A proper skincare regimen basically includes 3 important steps: cleansing, toning, and moisturizing. What if we tell you that you can achieve the benefit of all the 3 steps, with just a single face wash? Yes, you read that right. Today, we are going to share the recipe of a face wash that not only cleanses your skin, but also helps in toning and moisturizing it. Bonus, it works on all skin types. So, without any further ado, let's check out the recipe of this amazing face washington. What you need: 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, extra virgin. How to prepare this face wash: mix both the ingredients in a bowl to form a smooth paste. Apply this to your face. Leave it on for 10-15 minutes and then rinse your face with lukewarm water. Massage your skin in a circular motion for around a minute. Now, rinse your face with plain water and then pat dry with a towel. Since the face mask contains coconut oil and it hydrates your skin well, you need not apply a moisturizer. Apply this twice or thrice a week for best results. Why this works? Though there are a number of face washes available in the market, using the combo of coconut oil and baking soda, as a face wash can turn out to be a great idea. This combination not only works as an amazing exfoliator, but also helps in protecting your skin from acne and blackheads. Since baking soda is amphoteric in nature, it neutralizes the pH imbalance of the skin. pH imbalance is one of the main reasons for the occurrence of acne, blackheads or dry skin. It also targets skin inflammation, and heals distressed skin. Applying baking soda over pimples can help reduce their size as well as the redness. Coconut oil, on the other hand, has incredible nourishing and moisturizing properties. It is antibacterial and antiviral in nature, and thus, helps in healing several skin conditions such as eczema or chronically dry skin. If your skin is prone to acne, you must consider applying coconut oil to it. Mentioned below are some other reasons you should start applying coconut oil on your face. 1. It works as an excellent moisturizer. We all are aware of the moisturizing properties of the humble coconut oil. It seeps into the skin pores, and moisturizes our skin deeply. To use it as a moisturizer, wash your face properly and then dry it lightly with a soft towel. Take a small amount of the oil, and rub it between your palms. Apply it to your face and gently massage for a minute or 2. You can even apply it to your neck. Let the oil soak in for 5-10 minutes. Wipe the excess oil off with a soft towel. This will keep your skin hydrated and moisturized. If you have oily skin, repeat the procedure. After 15 minutes of application, rinse your face with lukewarm water. Do this for around 15 days. I guarantee that the secretion of sebum will reduce automatically. 2. It can be used as a natural makeup remover. Removing makeup has always been a tiring task. And makeup removers make the process even worse, because the chemicals present in them can harm your skin, especially if you have sensitive skin. No matter what, you must always remove your makeup before going to bed. And since this is such an important thing, why not go for a natural product? Coconut oil can be effectively used as a makeup remover. It is an excellent grease cutter, and moreover, it is safe and gentle on our skin. To use it as a makeup remover, apply coconut oil all over your face. Leave it on for some time. Then, take a cotton ball and gently try to remove your makeup with it. The main bulk of makeup will be gone by now. Wash your face with lukewarm water. Now, take a cotton pad, and dip it in coconut oil. Close your eyes and put this dipped cotton pad over them. Let it be there for 5 minutes. The oil will dissolve the kajal, eyeliner, and mascara. You can then gently wipe it off and wash your face with water and a mild soap. You need not worry about coconut oil entering your eyes because it is completely safe. 3. Coconut oil offers protection from sunburn. With SPF 4, coconut oil can offer protection from sunburns and solar radiations. The antioxidant properties can help in reducing the oxidative stress. It also has a soothing effect on burnt skin and reduces skin inflammation and redness. 4. It prevents premature aging. Coconut oil is a great ingredient for preserving the smoothness of the skin and keeping it wrinkle-free. Premature aging is basically a result of oxidative stress that is caused due to pollution, harmful UV rays, or excessive usage of harsh chemicals on the skin. Coconut oil is gentle on the skin, and it acts as a barrier against the pollutants. It also seals in the moisture. It promotes collagen formation, and thereby promotes soft and supple skin. The skin benefits of coconut oil are endless. After reading this article, you now know that besides being one of the best hair oils and a highly nutritious and delicious cooking oil, it is great for your skin as well.